Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a gluten-free and vegan vanilla cake with chocolate frosting. This cake is really moist and delicious. It's hard to even tell that it's gluten-free and vegan. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Lightly grease 3 8-inch round cake pans or 2 9-inch pans. And line them with a circle of parchment paper and set them aside for now. Then in a large bowl, add in the 1-to-1 gluten-free flour. I'll put a link to the one I'm using in the description box. It's the one I like most because it's super fine and it has almost no grainy texture, unlike a lot of gluten-free flours, but you can use any 1-to-1 gluten-free flour you like. And add in the sugar. I'm using organic sugar. You can use white if you like. Baking soda. I'm rubbing it between my hands to get rid of any lumps. And salt. And whisk them together until they're combined. And set it aside for now. Then in a small bowl, add in the rice milk, or you can use water or any non-dairy milk you like, canola or vegetable oil, white vinegar, and vanilla extract, and whisk them until they're well combined. Add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix them together until they're combined. Then divide the batter evenly into the prepared cake pans and bake them in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. To make the frosting, in a medium or large bowl, add in the vegan butter spread. It doesn't matter if it's cold or at room temperature. And shortening. And beat them with an electric mixer on high speed for 5 minutes until they're really light and pale. Then into a sifter set over a medium bowl, add in the powdered sugar and cocoa powder and sift the ingredients into the bowl. Add about half of it into the whipped butter and shortening. Mix it in with a spoon at first to combine them. Then beat it with the electric mixer on high speed for 2 minutes. Then add in the rest of the powdered sugar and cocoa powder. Mix them in with a spoon at first. Then beat it with the electric mixer until they're well combined. Then add in the rice milk or water 1 tablespoon at a time until it reaches a frosting-like consistency. When it reaches a frosting-like consistency, beat it on high speed for another minute or 2. Then add in the vanilla extract. Mix it in until it's combined. Then finish it by hands to combine all the ingredients. Once the cakes are completely cooled, turn them out of the pans. Remove the parchment paper from underneath. and trim the tops so that they're flat. Then just frost and decorate the cake however you like. I have many videos showing how to frost and decorate a cake, and I'll put a link to my playlist in the description box. And that's how to make a gluten-free vegan vanilla cake with chocolate frosting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.